Hi, my name is Sohan Kulkarni and I'd like to tell you about my journey that has led me to this point. My grandfather was a school teacher with a curiosity that led him to question everything before believing anything. This curiosity later became the seed for my scientific fervor. When I was young, both my maternal and paternal grandmothers were diagnosed with cancer. I watched them fight this cancer with strength and with grace, and it inspired me to change my own destiny. When I was in 10th grade, the world fell into a lockdown, and I felt really burnt out that after all these years of hard work and studying, the culmination of it was just me sitting at my home for 2 years. I felt really lost and I didn't know really what to do in my career. So, at this point in my life, in the 12th grade, I had an assignment on biomimetics. Through this assignment, I learned that the Eiffel Tower was built according to a bone in our body. The design for the bullet train was actually a hummingbird's beak, and the inspiration for water turbines were whale fins. I was also fascinated by microanimals such as tardigrades, axolotls, and the mighty hydra that can regenerate parts of their body, their brain, and at times make complete replicas of themselves. This really drew me towards the field of biotechnology. I have loved to study science ever since a young age, even when some of my peers found it to be quite daunting. I have a natural inclination to break down complex ideas into much simpler concepts using relatable and experimental approaches. I want to use this ability to take up a role as an educator who can inspire future generations to take up a career in life sciences. I want to cultivate and encourage students to look at biology not as a challenging field, but as something that is filled with wonder, creativity, and excitement. NYU's global legacy and their commitment to research makes it an ideal place for me to take my academic journey to the next level. Thank you and have a great day.